Have you ever heard of a butterfly that can emit a squeaking sound? Welcome to the intriguing world of the dead's head butterfly, a creature that seems to have stepped straight out of a fairy tale. This unusual butterfly, scientifically known as Acherontia atropos, has fascinated people for centuries, and it's not hard to see why. A quick glance at its back reveals an uncanny skull-like pattern, a feature that has earned it its ominous name. But that's not all that's unique about it. What if I told you that this butterfly can squeak? Yes, you heard right. Unlike its silent counterparts, the dead's head butterfly has a knack for making its presence known. With a specialized structure in its proboscis, it can emit a distinctive squeaking sound when disturbed. Now, where can one find such a fascinating creature? The dead's head butterfly is a cosmopolitan species, meaning it's found in various parts of the world. From the lush forests of Africa and Europe to the vibrant landscapes of Asia and the Middle East, this butterfly has made itself at home in a wide range of habitats. It's a night-loving creature, preferring to fly under the cover of darkness, which only adds to its aura of mystery. But don't let its eerie name and nocturnal habits fool you. The dead's head butterfly is a master of survival, with a love for sweet treats. It's known to raid beehives for honey, a feat it accomplishes by secreting a calming pheromone that puts the bees at ease. Isn't that something? In the grand scheme of nature, the dead's head butterfly plays its part beautifully. It's a pollinator, aiding in the propagation of various plant species, and its caterpillars feed on a variety of plants, contributing to the nutrient cycle. A skull pattern, a squeak, and a sweet tooth, all wrapped up in a butterfly? That's the dead's head for you. A creature that's as intriguing as it is beautiful. So, are you ready to dive deeper into its world? Stay tuned to discover the fascinating life cycle of this mystical creature. Every journey begins with a single step, and for the dead's head butterfly, it begins as a tiny egg. This is the first stage in the remarkable life cycle of this fascinating creature. The female butterfly, a marvel of nature herself, carefully selects the perfect spot to lay her eggs. Ideally, she seeks out a host plant that will provide ample food for her soon-to-be hatched caterpillars. This could be a variety of plants, but the dead's head butterfly particularly favors the leaves of potato and belladonna plants. This egg-laying process is a delicate and meticulous one. With precision, she attaches each egg to the underside of a leaf, ensuring it's safe from predators and the elements. Each of these tiny eggs, no bigger than a pinhead, holds the promise of a new life, a caterpillar that will soon make its debut into the world. From these tiny eggs, a new life is about to emerge. From the tiny egg hatches a hungry caterpillar, the next stage in the life cycle of the dead's head butterfly. Imagine a creature so ravenous, it consumes up to 200 times its weight in food every day. This is the dead's head butterfly caterpillar, a voracious eater with an insatiable appetite. Its preferred meals: luscious green leaves, succulent fruits, and tender plant stems. The caterpillar is not just a mindless eating machine, though. Every bite it takes, every morsel it consumes, aids in its transformation. The nutrients it ingests fuel its growth, and in just a few short weeks, the caterpillar increases its size up to 30 times. This growth is so rapid that the caterpillar outgrows its own skin several times, undergoing a process called molting, where it sheds its old skin to make way for a larger, newer one. But this caterpillar is not just growing in size. Inside its body, a miracle of nature is quietly unfolding. As the caterpillar feasts, it is also preparing for a metamorphosis. The cells that will eventually form the butterfly are already present within the caterpillar, dormant and waiting for their time to shine. Eventually, the caterpillar's eating frenzy slows down. It becomes less active, more contemplative. It's as if it knows that its time as a caterpillar is drawing to a close. It seeks out a safe and secluded spot, often the underside of a leaf or a quiet corner in the foliage. There it spins a silky pad, a secure anchor point to which it attaches itself. This is the beginning of its transformation into a pupa, the next stage in its life cycle. You see, the caterpillar stage is more than just a time of growth and feeding. It's a crucial period of preparation, a time of gathering energy and resources for the spectacular transformation that lies ahead. The caterpillar's time is over, but the journey is far from finished. The caterpillar now transforms into a pupa, a stage of drastic change. This metamorphosis is a fascinating period in the life of the death's head butterfly, a time of rest, but also of profound transformation. Let's dive a little deeper. The caterpillar finds a safe place, usually on the underside of a leaf or on a sturdy branch, and secures itself. It sheds its outer layer one last time, revealing a hard shell known as a chrysalis. This chrysalis protects the caterpillar during its transformation, like a snug cocoon. Once safely tucked away inside, it's time for the magic to happen. Over the course of about 2 weeks, the caterpillar's body undergoes a complete overhaul. It dissolves its old body and begins to rebuild itself, cell by cell. This process, known as histolysis, is a marvel of nature. Just think about it. The caterpillar essentially turns into a soup of cells and then reorganizes itself into a completely different creature, a butterfly. During this time, the future butterfly forms all the structures it will need in its adult life: wings, antennae, proboscis, and more. The vibrant colors and patterns we associate with butterflies also start to develop during this stage. Interestingly, the pupa stage is not just about physical transformation. The butterfly also starts to prepare for its adult life. It begins to develop the instincts it will need to survive, how to find food, avoid predators, and even mate. The pupa stage is a pivotal moment in the life of the death's head butterfly. It's a time of change, a time of growth, and a time of preparation. It's a reminder of the incredible adaptability and resilience of nature, of the power of transformation. Now, the moment we've been waiting for is almost here. The butterfly is about to emerge, and we are about to witness the final act in this remarkable journey. From a tiny egg to a crawling caterpillar, through the dramatic pupa stage, and finally, the reveal of the stunning death's head butterfly. But that is a story for the next scene. Finally, from the pupa emerges a beautiful adult butterfly. Now, we're talking about the final stage in the life cycle of the death's head butterfly. This is where all the magic happens. The adult butterfly, also known as the imago, is a sight to behold. Bearing a striking yellow or orange hue, the death's head butterfly is easily recognizable. On its thorax, you'll find a unique pattern that bears an uncanny resemblance to a human skull. This is where it gets its name, the death's head butterfly. It's not just a pretty face, though. This pattern serves as an effective deterrent to predators, making it a master of survival. One of the most fascinating aspects of this butterfly is its behavior. Unlike most butterflies, the death's head butterfly is not a fan of nectar. Instead, it has an unusual diet. With a fondness for honey, it can infiltrate beehives undisturbed thanks to the chemicals it releases that calm the bees. It's a daring infiltrator and a sweet thief. When it comes to lifespan, the adult death's head butterfly typically lives for about 2 to 3 months. This might not seem like a long time, but it's quite impressive in the world of butterflies. Now let's talk about reproduction. The female butterfly lays her eggs on host plants, choosing the perfect spot where her offspring can feed and grow. She can lay hundreds of eggs at a time, ensuring the survival of her species. The males, on the other hand, have a keen sense of smell, which they use to locate females for mating. And so, the circle of life continues. From egg to caterpillar, pupa to adult, each stage is a testament to the remarkable adaptability and resilience of this intriguing creature. It's a journey that's both fascinating and inspiring, a testament to the wonders of nature. The circle of life is now complete, but the story of the death's head butterfly is far from over. The death's head butterfly is truly one of nature's most fascinating creatures. This remarkable insect captivates us with its unique characteristics, making it a standout amongst its butterfly brethren. From its intriguingly named egg stage, where it begins life as a tiny spherical wonder, it embarks on a journey that astounds us all. The caterpillar stage comes next, where it undergoes a series of incredible transformations. This stage is marked by rapid growth and development, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of this species. Then it enters the pupa stage, a time of intense metamorphosis, where it is sheltered within a chrysalis, preparing for its final transformation. Emerging as an adult butterfly, The dead's head showcases its unique skull-like pattern, a distinguishing trait that has earned it its name. It's a beautiful and awe-inspiring sight, a testament to nature's boundless creativity. Next time you see a butterfly, remember the incredible journey it has taken to get there.